Welcome to this short meditation. This time is for you. In the next few minutes, we're going to slow down, check in with the breath, and practice something really important. Learning to notice our thoughts without becoming them. So often our minds are filled with background noise, old beliefs, worries, or voice of the inner critic. And sometimes it feels like we have to push those thoughts away to find peace. But today, instead of resisting them, we're going to meet them with compassion. There's nothing to get right or wrong here. Just a moment to breathe, be present, and to remind yourself you are not your thoughts. You're so much more than the stories running in the background. So when you're ready, find a comfortable position and let's begin. Take your time to settle in. Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting in a chair, resting on the floor, or lying down. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the cool air entering through your nose and the warmth as you exhale. No need to change anything, just noticing. Follow the breath as it moves in and out. Now let yourself settle into this rhythm. Bring your awareness to the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you. Notice the weight of your body resting. The support of the chair, the floor. Let yourself feel held. As you continue to breathe, thoughts may begin to rise, like ripples on the surface of water. And that's okay. There's no need to push them away. Instead, simply notice. Notice the shape of the thought, the feeling it brings. And with kindness, remind yourself, this is my time right now. This thought is not me, it's just passing through. I see it and I choose not to follow it. Like clouds drifting across the sky, thoughts come and go. Some may be familiar, old worries, beliefs, or voices of doubt. They may think they're keeping you safe and they don't have to lead you. And these thoughts aren't wrong. They don't mean you're meditating wrong. Thoughts are just part of the mind's natural rhythm, like waves moving through the ocean. You don't need to fight them or push them away. Just notice them. Acknowledge them with gentle awareness. And then with compassion, return to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Let yourself settle deeper into this moment. This space of quiet, of presence, of simply being. And take a few more breaths together. Feeling the inhale, the exhale, and let's do that again. Breathe in, and then exhale. Notice how it feels. Breathe in, and then let it out. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. The feeling of your fingers, your toes, the space around you. And when it feels right, slowly open your eyes. Carrying this sense of awareness and gentleness with you as you move through the rest of your day.